It's the solution that should have been there yesterday. So it is the complete conversion of waste into reusable energy products with no carbon emission, with no post-process residues, and no pollution of water. The water is required in the plant, but it's only for a cooling purpose. It's not contaminated in any manner. The second point, you will see why, how to substantiate the claims that I'm making. So there is no ash. That means nothing is burnt. I've seen a lot of technologies saying if you give us 10 tons, every day we'll generate 2 tons of ash. That means you're burning something. So nothing is burnt. Everything is continuously fed into a pyrolysis reactor. It converts to its own hydrocarbons in the absence of oxygen. So you can put leaves, you can put food, you can put plastic, you can put shoes, you can put cloth, whatever. Now, the other focus, so that is our technology. It is an Indian technology designed and optimized by my partner and commercialized by my company, Observing Ecotech. Because nobody gave us money to set up the first plant. Everybody said, oh, it's a very good thing, but it's on paper and we don't know if it will work and all. Finally, the naval establishment, I made a presentation to them. They said, okay, we cannot buy your plant, we'll give you land and we'll give you the waste. And this is the land, and you can build and set up your plant here and you can show it. So that was the beginning of showing the technology at a commercial level. So people from Rolls-Royce, from GE had visited the plant, and it is, even if I say so myself, it's a real pleasure to see the waste going into the plant, and then it's finished. There's no stench, there's no residue, there's no ash, nothing. And everything becomes useful products and they can be used. Then they are at a low cost. So you have liquid fuel, you have carbon smokeless coal, and you have gas. So all three can be used.
So like currently, where are these being used? Like, are you like diverting them to some places where these are being used?
No, in the first plant, because it was inside the naval base, so we have tried, or they have only tried. We did not make it into a commercial venture. But as the plants come, that was basically to establish that is actually working. The data is there, the analysis of the byproducts is, laboratory analysis is there of the fuel going from 7,000 calorific value to 12,000 calorific value if you have more plastics. So waste, there's so much waste. I don't know when they will realize it can be used as a resource, free resource material.
And it's not going to the landfill, like you're just completely getting it off.
Yes.
And any kind of waste like can go into the plant.
Yes. Yes.